Well, this is my experiment for this year. And as you can see, there are flowers still flowering and tomatoes still growing. I'm in the sun and I can't tell what I'm looking at here. I hope you can see the tomato. I think I'm right up on, yeah. Okay. Alright. There's nothing on this side, I don't think. Look at that, yeah. Hope you guys can see this. There's berries on this. What happens is the birds beat me to the berries. This thing's been growing berries all year, but the birds get it first. And something else I want to show you, which is really cool. If it's still that way. This actually has pretty flowers on it and bees. You see those bees? Out of the whole bush. Okay, it's like flowers with bees in it. Is it pretty or what? It's really bright out here, and I hope I'm showing you the right thing. That is so cool. I don't know if it's honeysuckle. I don't know what those things are. But that's really pretty. I'll look the other side. There's a lot of bees in there. That might explain why the zucchini's coming out. And over on this other side, I can't see what I'm aiming at. It's so bright. There's nothing over here, I don't think. And that's it. God is good.